welcome back to another installment of In the Mix. My name is Morgan, and happy Pride Month to one and all. I hope you are all having a wonderful time celebrating this special month, and I have a cocktail that is just for you. This is a cocktail that is called It's a Drag, and it's something that we feature on our menu throughout the year, and it is the perfect accessory to your Pride celebrations because it's got glitter and it's got bubbles. What else do you need? Well, it also has alcohol, which you obviously need, but it has all the elements. So let's get into it. What you're going to need for this cocktail is pretty straightforward and simple. You are going to need the Ketel One Botanical series of vodka. We are using the peach and orange blossom variety today. You are going to need some sort of blackberry liqueur. I have the creme de mire here. You are going to need a simple syrup. It's just equal parts sugar and water. I have a bottled version here. You're also going to need some lime juice, which I have here as well. And you're going to need some Prosecco of some sort, as bubbles bubbling. And you're going to need a shaker to shake all of your ingredients up. You're going to need a measuring device, such as a jigger. And the most exciting bit of all, you're going to need some sort of edible glitter. I am using a cocktail shimmer dust in my recipe. You can find these in the baking aisle. You can find these on Amazon, wherever you need. But that's our glittery element. And you're also going to need a martini glass or a coupe of some sort. I have a martini glass here, which we are going to use. You can use whatever type of glass you want as your vessel. So let's get into how to make it. So first things first, you are going to need 2 ounces of the Ketel Botanicals, 2 ounces into our shaker. You are also going to need 1 ounce of the blackberry liqueur. Pour that in. You are going to need a 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup. Like I said, I'm using the bottled version just because I'm lazy, but you can use your good old-fashioned homemade kind. Pour that in, and then you're going to need a little splash of lime juice. Pop that in. And then I'm going to shake my cocktail with the glitter so it comes out nice and glittery, but you can also add this on top. So I'm going to take a little bit of my just clear shimmer dust. It will get on your hands, so caution. And then I'm also going to take some of this violet and I'm going to top that in. Like I said, these are safe to consume. They are all food grade and edible, so don't worry. So then I'm going to take my ice, I'm going to pop it in there, and then we're going to shake her up, all right? So we're going to shake this for 15 to 20 seconds. So you know the drill by now. You want to wait until it's nice and frosted on the side of the glass. And let's get shaking. All right, so our glass is frosted up, as you can see, and we're going to pour this into our martini glass. You can use a strainer if you'd like, but I'm going sand strainer and just pouring it from my shaker. So you can probably tell already, it's got a little bit of shimmer and funness in there. Then we are going to top this with the bubbles, because there ain't no party like a Prosecco party. So we're going to take the Prosecco and we're going to top it off until we get to the top. You can let it overflow if you want, no judgments. So there you go. I would go no garnish on this one. We used to use a rock candy, glittered rock candy for this, which you can also use, or you can just let her sparkle all on her own. So you can look at that glittery goodness. Let's take a sip as per usual. Delightful. It is a little bit, fruity, a little bit tart with the lime juice, and a lot of bit of a good time. So I hope you make these with all of your Pride celebrations. You will impress your friends with your glitter confections, and I hope you drink responsibly and have a good time. Or not, just drink a lot of these because they're delicious. So cheers, be kind to one another, and see you next time. Bye.